everyone, welcome back to my channel. Serena B here, and today I have a album junk journal unboxing. This is my October daily junk journal album for 2020, and I'm really excited. I held off to do a unboxing on camera. It's been a while. She added a couple of freebies, really fun. So her name is Haley, and it's Patchwork Paper Co. That's her company. This is a really cute business card. Look at all the little freebies she included. That's so cute. A journaling card and a note, and then this is really fun. Okay, and then there's some little pumpkins that she actually created and designed herself. So she sells little ephemera packs like this in her shop. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. It's perfect. It's so perfect. Look how cute. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. So I asked not to decorate the front so I can embellish it myself, and I asked to not create a charm, but if I ever wanted one, I can just make. Okay, so I picked 5, I believe, pattern papers from Fresh Bouquet and Marigold, and so I have, okay, I'm just excited. I don't even know what to say. So this is really cute. This is the inside. I love the stitching. I gotta feel and touch everything. This is really fun. A little lace over here. So she does watercolor dye her papers instead of using like tea stain or whatever it's called. Okay, so there's a journaling card, and she used the journaling cards from KB and Friends. So this is one of them. This is from Open Book from Maggie Holmes. There's a little paper clip there. I just love being able to see this in real life. So the reason why I got this journal made for my October daily is because it's gonna be the first time I move out on my own, and I thought the house journal would be perfect to document the month and everything with that. So that was my request, and I love this. Is so cute. It's really well made too. Little sticker with a thing. Oh, I love that. That's so fun. Here she added a little house sticker. Pita pizza. That's really cute. Some dictionary paper. This is another one of the patterns that I selected. Oh, I love that. There's like a little shaker pocket made out of sequins. Look how cute. With a little journaling card from, I believe, Marigold. Fits in perfectly. A book page, black lace. Oh, this is really pretty. Oh my goodness. So nice. I love birds. I told her that. The university. That works because I work at a university. That's funny. Oh, so fun. Oh, look at that. There's a little Edgar Allan Poe there. Little cluster of washi. Here's the other side of that printable. Really fun. I like the idea of like stretching out printables and making them as pages. She does that a lot, and I think that's just so smart. Really fun. Never thought about that. And there's another pocket here with a little die cut and a journaling card. So cute. So as you can see, this is very non-traditional. That was my plan. I wanted to do a non-traditional Halloween October daily album this year. So here's a little glassine bag she made into a pocket. So cute. There's a little foil flower journaling card, and then mine printable. So cute. My non-traditional Halloween October daily kit and plan video, I will link it below, as well as added a card in this video. So that's the ending of the first signature, and then she has her little butterflies here. So cute. So this is the start of the next signature. Really cute layering of ephemera. Little camera here with a little blink sticker. I love this page. Look how pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm also kind of intimidated. Like, I want to use this. Obviously I will, but at the same time it's like, I don't want to touch it. It's so cute. This is another printable she made into a page. So cute. I love this paper. So nice. And then we have a little bella, and the little happiness is here. That's so cute. That's perfect. So perfect. I love it. It's really well made, and I actually want to buy another one of hers. She's taking on some custom orders for Christmas, and I'm thinking I want the same album for my December daily, or my December documented album. I love this little cluster, and she put a bee. So fitting. So cute. Oh, I'm loving it. Thank you so much for creating this for me. Oh, look at all the goodies in this one. Tag. some ephemera bits. I love this pocket. And a little journaling card, so cute. And then we have another pocket with a scrap piece of paper and a little, it actually looks really cute together. I'm loving this. So, so pretty. Little bee stamp. And then that's the ending of it. So beautiful, really well made, really beautiful. Thank you so much, Haley, for my beautiful October daily. I'm so excited. I can't wait to start playing in it. So again, thanks so much for watching. If you guys want to check out Haley, her shop is Patchwork Paper Co. I will link her YouTube channel below as well as her Instagram page if you're interested. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of my non-traditional Halloween October daily for this year. Take care, everyone. Bye.